What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today was absolutely amazing day. This is what I would call a perfect day for trader because I came around at 1450 and the market opened around here. I took this trade. 20 minutes later, took the second entry, was done within 20 minutes. This is absolutely fabulous day. This is ideal. It doesn't happen very often, but this was a good day. Anyways, let's go to work. So when I came in, we were swinging back and forth, and I drew this trend line from the first two swings. Just copy it lower, and this was the first good trade that I saw. I didn't take this trade because, like I said, I came in like when the price was here, but this was a good trade. We had a trend line working higher. We had a break move to the new low, and the lower high prices tick higher, right confirmed the trend line. This was a good place to go short. I was thinking taking this trade. This would be first entry, second entry long. That failed, but the signal bar was horrible. It's more of a bullish than bearish, so I waited. And then this small little bar formed, and I put my limit order here. I thought I was gonna get trapped because this wasn't enough for my 10 tick scalp, so I thought I was gonna get trapped at the open, but no. Once again, the trap at the open didn't fail. They trapped all the longs, and the price went lower. So I was quite happy with that. And like I said, 10 minutes later, how long was that? This is 15:30. This is open. This is not even 10 minutes. 8 minutes later, first entry, second entry short, below this signal bar. Actually, when I was trading, my tick chart looked a little bit better. I entered below this signal bar, but this signal bar looked much better. So, but I marked this signal bar as a trade. I just got just enough for 10 ticks, and at that point I wasn't really focusing at this support. I probably should have, but I was still playing this trend line because this trend line is valid. Look at this: 1, 2, 3, 4 touches, second entry short in a downtrend. But it quickly bounced. The support held. They didn't let the prices go lower, which was the first indicator you shouldn't go short that much. It was tempting to go short here, but at this point prices are really stacking up. This is a congestion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bars stacking up. So you really shouldn't want to take this. And fell break lower, but you don't want to go long because the trend is still down, so you want to wait. And somebody wanted me to mark even the losing trades, so this could have been traded. Some of you could have gotten trapped because I wanted to take this. It's still off the trend line, but this looks like a bottoming pattern. Look at the support: double top, double bottom, triple bottom, quadruple bottom. We almost bonds here. So I wasn't really feeling it going short because this really looks like bottoming pattern. The support is holding. They don't want to let it go lower. But then again, it's a breakout pullback. It's off the trend line, so we probably could have gotten trapped. This would have been the trade that would be a loser for the day. I really wanted to go short there, but this congestion and the fact that the support held that well, yeah, I skipped this trade. And we broke the trend line. We made a first entry long, second entry long. I was actually thinking I was gonna go long here, but I'm glad I didn't. And then we trapped them like this. So I put my limit order here, and I missed the trade. I didn't get filled. It happened very quickly, quick scalp, and the same thing happened here. because I was treating this signal bar as a first entry, second entry long that failed, because this is a nice bullish bar. So people probably were thinking that we may go higher, but you cannot go long yet because we don't have a new low of this trend line. See the perfect price action. You need to wait for the new low. So this would have been a great trade, and I got missed again. I didn't get filled here. Boom, two legs to a new low. I don't think you want to go short here into the support. You need to skip this. And this is kind of like choppy no man's land. You pull back. First entry, second entry long. The support now acts as a resistance, so you might go short here. Um, I still wouldn't. I still don't like it that much because you're going short almost at the low of the day. You know, you preferably want to go short at these corrections as high as you can. Look at this. This is high. This is quite high. You don't want to go short at these lows. So, but you know, it's according to rules. It's a failed second entry long. It's bounced with the resistance. The trend is still lower. The support is obviously not holding that well. So you could have taken this, and yeah, then you can draw these trend lines from these lows, and you get first entry, second entry long. The signal bar is not that great, so you might skip it. It depends on what your tick chart look like. But when you get this signal bar, first entry, second entry long, tick lower, went up higher, big bullish bar, you want to go long here. This just shows how second entries are powerful, because if you look at this, first entry, second entry of the trend line that worked, first entry, second entry long that worked, you're still looking for a new high, perfect. You can find these trend lines of these highs. You get these three touches and you can drag it lower. You shot through the EMA, pull back. A lot of times you can go short here, because once you get the break of this upper trend line and a new high, a lot of times when the prices go through the EMA like that, it's a reversal pattern, and you might not even get a second entries. You might just get a first entry that will fail. But excuse me. But I don't think the signal bar is not that great. Once the signal bar forms, you have to put your stop all the way up here, which is way too big. So I think you want to skip this. You bounce off this support. You may drag the trend line. You may drag it down here. And this is now a key entry point. And the prices attempted to go lower once. They take below the signal bar and move higher, and then they attempted to go lower the second time. And the prices broke through this signal bar, through this bearish bar, and instantly shot back up. This is a failed second entry short of the key entry point. The support is now holding because, as you can see, this area held. So this was a good trade. And then you have first entry long, second entry long, off the trend line once again. So you can go long here. But I probably would have taken this. The signal bar is horrible because you have to go long right above this stem. So this is not the greatest signal bar. But yeah, generally I only like the trades right around the open and like till 5 o'clock. That's my preferable time, because also I get fatigue really quickly. But the afternoon price action looked really solid today, surprisingly. So I'm kind of ashamed I wasn't trading at that particular time. But yeah, like I said, today was fantastic. I was done within 20 minutes. I took this trade, then took this trade, and 2 easy scalps, 20 ticks. Yeah, so that's for the day. Once again, you have to draw these trend lines. You have to pay attention to the support and resistance. And you have to wait for these new lows and new highs to be in place. So that's about it for the day. I'm gonna keep it short and sweet. I'm kind of tired today. And, so yeah, see you next week. Safe trading.